there was action at Nanaimo's waterfront for World Oceans Day, as divers, volunteers, and high-tech underwater robots were taking a closer look at the harbor floor at Maffeo Sutton Park.
I can see it. I'm coming up on it.
Many partners have come together to collaborate on this event. Seymour is here with the remote operated vehicles underwater collecting trash, as well as some volunteer free divers. We've got Rugged Coast and the Nanaimo Port Authority Patrol Division supporting the event today.
It's quite well varied.
Partnering with people like this on an initiative where we have community stewards and our industry partners coming together, wanting to participate in making sure that our harbor is healthy, clean, and sustainable for future generations is really important to us. So we're happy to be here together today.
There you go. You're on it.
We have hooked onto a shopping cart using the assistance of the ROV, passed it onto this hard line, and we're going to use the boat either by propulsion or the crane to try to lift the shopping cart out.
Everyone working side by side to recover garbage from areas people can't normally see.
We just really want to remind the public to be responsible with their trash, and when they're down here recreating, to make sure that they're taking care. Pack in, pack out what you pack in.
The underwater cleanup is also serving as a floating classroom, connecting students and community members to real-world marine technology.
We have some students down here from St. John's Academy that are working with Seymour on operating the underwater rovers. We also have several volunteers and members of the public who are coming by to see what's going on and having the opportunity to participate as well.
Organizers hope the cleanup sparks long-term awareness, reminding residents that protecting the ocean starts right here in Nanaimo's own backyard.
The harbor front is a cherished part of our community. We all enjoy it here. We are the harbor city. Caring for it and good stewardship is important, and we would like it to be enjoyable for future generations.
In Nanaimo, for Rogers TV, I'm Todd Jones.